Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a section onto your product page on Shopify. So let's start off from the dashboard here. And from the dashboard, you want to go to Online Store. On Online Store, you want to go to Themes. On Themes, click on Customize. And now I'm going to show you how you can get to the product page. So to get to the product page, you have to go on the top right section here on Home Page. And on Home Page, go to Products. On Products, just click on this default product. So I'm just going to click on that. And now we're on our product page. Now you'll see on the left hand side here of our dashboard, there's a couple of add section button we can do. Now this is to add a section on the header, on the main page, and also on the footer. Now on the add section on the header, there's only a couple of things we can add. If you have an app, you can maybe have more options, but I'm going to stick with the stock options that Shopify gave to us. So first off, for the header, there's an announcement bar. So this is what it looks like. You can say, welcome to our store. If you want to change what it says, you have to exit out and then you have to click on this. And when you click on this, you can now change what it says. So for example, Christmas sale going on now. So something like that. So there's an announcement bar, just like that. Now that's a section that you've been added. Now for the main actual page of our product, there's a lot more sections that we can add, as you can see here. So there's featured collection, featured products, collection list, quick order list, rich text, image with text, image banners, slideshow, collage, multi-column, multi-row, collapsible content, email sign-up, contact form, video, blog post, and a custom liquid, or even another new page. I'm going to show you a couple. So for example, featured collection. So in your actual product page, you will have another featured collection so that the customer can continue browsing while they look at this product, right? You can even change the things here, like the heading you want to. So it's, for example, instead of featured collection, it's best-selling products. Something like that, right? There's also another thing, add section, that's to rich text. So in rich text, it's like this, right? It's a text, it's another text, and it's a button leading to whichever one you'd like. So this is a button, and you can see that you can make the button go to whatever page you want. So for example, collection, products, pages, blogs, policies, or you can even paste a link. So you can paste in the link for youtube.com, and when the customer click it, it'll redirect them onto YouTube, right? And now for the last one, it'll be footer. So add section. Now on footer, of course, it's a pretty lit. It doesn't have much options. It only have email sign up. So if I click on email sign up, it'll just add in a email sign up such as this. Of course, you can still customize it. You can customize the header, also on the subheading, and also the actual email form. But you can't customize the email form. You can just delete it or make it invisible. Although it'll be a little silly if there's an email sign up without an actual email form here. But nonetheless, this is the starter for how you can add section onto Shopify.